Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Today I will show you how we can deploy React JS website on Netlify and how to connect a custom domain. So for this I have made a simple website. This one we will deploy this on Netlify and then we will connect a custom domain with it. So for this we will first have to create a repo on GitHub. I have already created this with the name of the same software. So now we will first of all upload this code to this repository. And now you can see that our code has been pushed to GitHub, and here you can see that our code has been pushed. Now we will deploy this first of all on Netlify. So far is make your account on Netlify. So follow the steps that I will show you. Make sure to add this file and also add this redirects file and then push code again. Now I will push this code again to GitHub. So for this follow the command that I will show you. Now we will try to retry. Again we will push our code to netlify.yml file has been updated. Again we will retry with the latest branch commit. And here you can see that our site has been deployed. Netlify, so set.netlify.app. Now I will show you how you can uh, how we can connect a custom domain with it. So for this I have already bought this domain from name.com, so we will use this domain. So first of all we will add this domain to Cloudflare. Now copy these both Cloudflare name servers, and we will add this from where we have bought domain one by one. Now it will take 1 to 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and then it will be updated, and then I will show you further how we can use this domain until it is updated. First of all we can go here, click on the software, zip software, click on domain management, and here we will click add a domain you already own. Here we will add our domain, and now we will click after it is verified. So guys, now you can see that our domain has been protected or transferred to uh, Cloudflare. Now we will add here records. So for this simply we'll go here, records, and now we will copy one by one. Click here and then click here pending verification, and here we will add records. For this simply go here, click add record, disable, cname, ww, and then here we will add this, control C, control V, and we will click save, and here we will add one more record, close. And now we'll add one more code here, this one air code, add here air code shift at the rate, and then we will add this address, control C, control V here. Both the records have been updated. Now we will close this, and we will again we will click verify DNS configuration, and then it will take some time. DNS verification was successful. Now will you refresh this, and now it will take some time. After some time it will also be corrected, and I waiting for DNS propagation. When both will be corrected, I will again show you. Now you can see that our domain has been connected. Now simply we'll click this our domain. You can see that it is working. Now it's just we can also visit this one. It is also both are working. Now it is just enable automatic TLS certificate with Let's Encrypt or your own certificate. Simply we have to get certificate. When it will assign to our domain certificate, then again I will show you. So here guys, you can see that we have got HTTPS enabled. So now we will go to our project overview and refresh this, and now if I visit this, now you can see that it is secure, connection is secure, it is HTTPS. Now again if we go here, we can convert this www.software to as a primary domain. So go to option, set as primary domain, set as primary domain. So now you can see that www has been converted primary domain. Again visit this. So this is the whole preview. If you have any issue, comment down. I will give all the answer of your queries.